In this next series of lectures, you'll learn about the development of groups and teams. We can broadly define group development as a group's growth or evolution over time. At the very least, this involves the creation of an appropriate structure, the establishment of productive norms, and the building of cohesion among group members. Theories of group development typically describe how these and other features change. Sequential, cyclical, and non-sequential models explain the development processes differently, and you'll learn about each one of these models in the next few videos. Keep in mind that not every group develops in the same way or according to some model, and new groups behave differently than established ones. Plus, in addition to theories, we should also rely on evidence-based strategies to facilitate the process. Planning ahead can save all parties a lot of time and energy later. This includes teachers who assign group projects. Take the time to encourage group development early on, instead of simply assigning the work, and your students will thank you later. So, keep in mind, each theory has something to contribute to our understanding of group development, but none of the theories comprehensively explain it.